Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course from time to time I like to talk about a new theme that I have for my desktop wallpapers. I get weekly and if not daily comments of what are the wallpapers that I'm using and so on. They're always from the Microsoft Store, and what I show here is on Windows 11. It works also on Windows 10. Don't forget about that. So this theme for the holiday season that I'm going to be using is, of course, a holiday season theme. So what you see here is available through the Microsoft Store, and it has some really beautiful Christmassy holiday style themes that you'll have in your background, as you see here. Very beautiful pictures, and I'm going to maybe put you into the holiday season mood and Christmas mood, and you might enjoy that on your computer. So how do you get that? Well, simply go into your settings app in Windows 10 or Windows 11. In the settings, you will go into personalization, and there you will have themes. In the themes, you will actually go and find where it says get more themes from the Microsoft Store, and that's where you're going to go. There, you will have Winter Holiday Glow. This is what I have chosen in the Microsoft Store, and it has several pictures that you can check out. It is, of course, by Microsoft, so it's a Microsoft-themed theme. And the package is a nice little package to have. Once you have, of course, chosen to get this, go back to your themes page. You'll see it there. Double click on it to make sure that it is officially the one that you have chosen. But it doesn't stop here. Go back to personalization, and in background, make sure that change picture is not every minute. This causes lag on your PC, and a lot of people complain of lag and realize that that 1 minute lag is there. I usually put 1 hour, especially if you're a gamer. Put this even longer if you're a gamer, because every time that picture changes, because it does change while you're playing your favorite games, it might actually introduce just a slight lag for a tenth of a second, but it's visible and it's there. And the same can happen even on a desktop if it changes too often. The other thing you want to do in personalization is, of course, go into the colors, accents. Make sure that the accent colors follow what you have in the background. So the automatic process is what you want to have. You want to make sure that the to the accent color at the start and taskbar and title bars and everything. And you want them automatic. You don't want them to be manual. And this means that the colors that you'll have in your different windows will follow the colors of your background picture. So if I move to a background picture like this, it changes slightly the colors. And of course, if we go to another one, next desktop background, it slightly readjusts itself to whatever colors are in the background. So it's kind of cool because it gives a nice feel to all the windows and everything you do. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.